Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this in my room, but whatever, I am. I don't give a shit.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. I'm gonna film, okay? So go watch Paw Patrol. Dude, I feel like I'm really like, I have my camera high up because my stand, like the twist to bring it down, I cannot, it's like stuck. It won't untwist so I can lower it. Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Papa. You can take a bath after I do this, okay?
No.
What you mean, no? Go. Go watch Paw Patrol. If you want to be right here, you can.
No.
You play on Mommy's hair? Oh, you're gonna do my hair? Yeah, this is what it's like filming with a toddler. And now he's distracted by something on my dresser. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's what we're doing. Ow. Oh. Softly. Gentle. 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 You're about to hit me upside the head. What are you doing to my hair? You're doing my hair?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, gentle, gentle, gentle. Please don't hit me upside the head with the brush. Oh my Lord. No, not the top because I have product up here. Keep your little baby hairs down. Yeah, product up here. Keep baby hairs down. Only the ends. No! I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I don't. How do beauty gurus do this? How do they do this? I don't know. Whatever. Okay, let's get started. What is going on out there? Anyways. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this video or logging on to seeing one of my videos, I am Chyna and this is my channel and video. Today is a beauty video for Boxycharm. It's this month's Boxycharm. I do get Boxycharm every month, so I'm thinking of making these videos obviously every month. Duh. So yeah, we are going to play with some stuff today. Don't mind the door open and the little person over there. It's my son. I'm filming with a toddler at home. Yes, I know, but whatever. It should be interesting. Don't mind my crazy child here. But anyways, if you like what you see in this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up for more beauty videos. Yeah, let's get into the video.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
This is December's Boxycharm. I did take the tape off. I haven't looked in it yet. I'm hoping it's good stuff. I mean, usually it is, you know, it's Boxycharm. I mean, full-size stuff. It's like 4 to 5 products. And then they're usually, you know, I'd say, I guess, affordable to higher end stuff. This is the regular box and I believe it is 25. I pay 25 monthly. Yeah, I believe it's 25. I know they came out with that Luxe box and it's 35. $10 more, a bigger box. I'll probably upgrade next year in a month. So yeah, this is the December Boxycharm. Let's see, let's open it. I ripped it. Oh well. They have cute boxes too. I love their boxes. It says, "Hello, Charmer." Ooh. Ooh. Girl. Yes, what is this? Okay, so this month's Boxycharm theme is whimsy. Can you guys see that? Can you see it? I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, whatever. Okay. Oh, I like this. It's cute. It's cute. Okay. And then on the back of the card that comes with it, it has the products. 1, 2, 3. So 5 products in this month's box. At least that's what my box has. 5 products. And then it tells you a little bit about the product and the price, obviously, in the back. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen lots of these videos, so yeah. And then let's see what I got. Ooh, nice. What is it? Why is this upside down? Oh, it's not upside down. Ooh. This is, what is this? Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Ooh, yes, girl, yes. But it's like holographic. Oh, so cute. Oh, there you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's cute. I love the packaging already. I'm a sucker for pink though. And cute packaging. Okay, so this is free, and it reached, dang, for $39. Girls, that already paid for my box. Okay, that already paid for my box. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. Look at this. It's cute. Okay, I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love to collect packaging that's cute, like collector shit. Oh, look. Oh my god. Girl, yes. Okay, I really need to see if this really does have no fragrance. If you guys didn't know, I suffer from migraines. Well, now you know. So fragrances, like certain smells, like really strong cinnamon, really strong vanilla, really strong orange scents, like fragrance, trigger a migraine like that. So, oh, this doesn't have a fragrance. Cool. Try this out. So, you know what? We will try it out after I open everything else. Oh, that feels good. Ooh, that feels moisturizing. Ooh, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, let's move on, shall we? Okay, next product. What is this? Seat London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And this retails for $26. So even with this one thing, you're already paying for the box, which we all know here on my channel, we are budget bougie, okay? Gotta keep that budget, honey, especially living here in Cali. It's too expensive, girl. It's too expensive. Oh, this is cute. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that is pretty. Okay. Oh, that feels good. You can see it? It's a pretty color. I mean, oh. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Oh no. I mean, it gives me, it gives a little. Hi, baby. It gives a little color. I don't know. We'll see how it performs when it's on a full face. Okay, so let me put this back in there. Oh, and this is, because I know a lot of people love cruelty and vegan free cruelty. This is cruelty free. It's the Brow Bar by Rima. What does it say? It doesn't tell me. I cannot see that. That's so tiny. But it is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. And it retails for $30. Not tested on animals. So this is cruelty free as well. Nice. Are all Boxycharm products cruelty free? Like, I never noticed that. Oh, this is cute. It kind of reminds me of the Gerard one. And it comes with 2 colors. This is in, what is this in? This is in medium. True Glam Brow Makeover Kit. Get away. Get away. So it comes with a concealer. I'm not really big on using brow concealers from like a brow kit. but we'll try it out. It looks a little, I don't know, it's not going to be my color, but we'll try it out for the sake of the video. So it comes with a lighter brown and a more somewhat cool tone, and then a deeper brown. Obviously it comes with a little brush, a little tiny brush. Puppy, go over there. Cute. Okay. And a brow gel. Girl, love me some brow gels, honey. I have to see what the applicator looks like though. Okay, cool. Oh, it's brown.
Sure.
Damn, I thought it would be clear. I'm not big on pigmented brow gels. I like clear brow gels, but we're gonna try it. So yeah, this. Did I tell you how much it retailed for? It retailed for 30 bucks. Yeah, I think I did. In Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. Oh, okay. Hey. How much does this retail for? This retails for 12 bucks. Last thing I got is, oh my god, so cute. I seen these on their Instagram, so I knew I was getting one of them. I just didn't know which one I was getting. Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics Palette. I've heard of this brand before, and I'm pretty sure it was off of Instagram. I just don't remember. I think they were brushes that I seen from them. And this retails for $35. Oh, these are pretty colors. They're pretty colors, but damn, $35? I'm assuming it's because of the package for 6 colors, but whatever. Mirror, mirror, here I stand. Who is the fairest in the land? Oh my god. So fucking cute. Okay, like I told you guys, I am a collector of like bomb ass package. I love it. It feels really good. Oh, it does. I am gonna use the brush with it. Oh god, I don't have high hopes for this brush, but you know, the other color. I'm gonna try the I'm gonna try the darker color. The brow is definitely a little bit on the orangey side, a little too warmth for me. I'm gonna roll with this. Is the brow. I am going to do this brow and then I will be right back. Actually, I'm gonna do this brow and my base, and then I will. So the blush, the Ciat London blush. Is that how you say it? Ciat? I don't know. It is in Dusk. You guys can see that. And I'm just gonna take this is a Morphe brush as well. Love Morphe brushes. I don't remember which one this is. It came in their Rose Gold set. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Well, that is nice. Let's move on to the Ojitos. So I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M433. Let's go in with Nottingham. It's gonna start in the crease. I'm gonna go in with Maid Marian. It is the metallic gold in the palette, and I'm gonna put it in my tear duct. Ooh, that's a good gold. That is definitely a good gold. I'm gonna do the other eye, put lashes, and then I will be right back. So Here is the finished look with highlight, lips, lashes, and some eyeliner. In case you're wondering, the lashes are from Amazon. My favorite lashes of all time, super glam. I'm going to have the link down below for you guys. I love these lashes. Yeah, the brush cleaner, I am going to use it tonight to clean my brushes, and I will, you know what, I'm gonna post a pic, a before and after of my brushes while using this, and have like a little review on it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you are following at Chynamkup, MKUP. I will have the link down below, or you can just look up this name here. And then so I will let you know about the palette. Let's keep it real, bitch. I don't like the palette. It was patchy. Girl, it was patchy. It didn't blend right. I don't like the palette. Packaging, beautiful. Beautiful packaging. Love it. Definitely gonna sit up on my shelf, like I've said many times. But as far as the product, no, definitely not worth 30 bucks. Cream, definitely will be repurchasing as soon as I'm done with this. Loved it. I'm gonna use it for the rest of the week, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little sort of like review update on how my skin is doing with the blush. The water cream blush is beautiful. Definitely gonna use the blush. Not too matte and not too shiny. It's got a little bit of a sheen. Beautiful color. Definitely a little goes a long way. Like, girl, you see how much blush I put on this? No, just no. 30 bucks. The palette was 35. Okay, so yeah, 30 bucks. No, I'll go buy me some ABH brow powder for that. Yeah, no. So this is the look. Oh, the look. I love it. My face. I love the way my skin feels. Amazing highlights. Girl, what's going on out there? Y'all screaming for nutsings. I live next to a high school, so you know, sometimes these high school students be ditching. I feel you, boo, because you know what? I ain't even gonna lie, I used to ditch in high school too. A lot. Maybe a little too much. I should have never done it. You live and you learn. Purchasing Boxycharm, it's definitely, Boxycharm is worth it because you get to try a bunch of new stuff. Every once in a while, you will not get things that work for you or that you like. But I mean, that's the risk, right? With the subscription box. But other than that, I definitely think Boxycharm is worth it. Nothing against Boxycharm, but this month I just think that, you know, it just didn't do it for me this month. Last month, loved it. Ooh, the month that had Mr. Hanky Harry eyeliner. Girl, I'm in love with the eyeliner. Yes, thank you. Keep Hanky Harry. Too much to be running errands, but whatever. Like, there he is. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Hi, Bobo. You need a baddies? You need a baddies. What? You tripping, boy. You washing your butt. Scrub the butt, because you stink. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I love you all. Thank you for so much for the support. Like I said, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are updated or notified when I post a new video. Leave me a little comment letting me know what you want to see in the future. He needs to get in the bath because we gotta go run errands. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.